What if I told you this planet might just be our long-lost cosmic neighbor? Let's dive into the mystery of Kepler 452b and see if we can uncover the truth. Kepler 452b was discovered by NASA's Kepler Space Telescope in 2015. It is located about 1,400 light-years away from Earth and is about the same size as our own planet. What makes Kepler 452b so intriguing is that it orbits its star, Kepler 452, in a habitable zone, the region around a star where temperatures are just right for liquid water to exist on the surface of a planet. Imagine a world where the conditions are just right for life to flourish. That's the kind of potential Kepler 452b holds. The idea of a planet so similar to our own, yet so far away, is truly mind-boggling. It sparks our curiosity and fuels our dreams of finding life beyond Earth. However, determining whether Kepler 452b is truly habitable is a challenge. The vast distances involved make direct exploration incredibly difficult. We can't simply send a spacecraft to Kepler 452b to take a closer look. Instead, we rely on indirect observations using powerful telescopes. These telescopes can detect the presence of the planet by observing the slight dimming of its star as the planet passes in front of it. By analyzing the light from the star, scientists can gather clues about the planet's size, its orbit, and even the composition of its atmosphere. However, these observations are limited. We can only see the planet as a distant silhouette, a faint shadow against the brilliant light of its star. Nevertheless, scientists have gathered a lot of information about Kepler 452b, and they believe that it may have the potential to support life. One of the most important characteristics of Kepler 452b is its size. It is about the same size as Earth, which means that it likely has a similar gravity and atmosphere. Imagine walking on the surface of Kepler 452b. Would you feel the familiar pull of gravity beneath your feet? Would you be able to breathe the air, or would it be a suffocating mix of unknown gases? These are the questions that keep scientists awake at night. The planet also receives about the same amount of sunlight as Earth, which is another important factor for life. Sunlight provides the energy that drives life on Earth. It warms our planet, fuels photosynthesis in plants, and creates the weather patterns that shape our world. However, there are also some differences between Kepler 452b and Earth. Kepler 452b is older than Earth by about 1.5 billion years. This means that it has had a longer time to evolve, to develop its own unique history, and perhaps even its own forms of life. Imagine a world where life has had billions of years more to evolve than on Earth. What incredible creatures might have arisen? What strange and wonderful ecosystems might have developed? The possibilities are truly mind-boggling. Kepler 452b also orbits its star at a slightly slower pace. This means that a year on Kepler 452b is about 385 Earth days long. Imagine the seasons on this distant world, the long, languid summers and the short, sharp winters. Despite these differences, scientists believe that Kepler 452b could be a habitable planet. The planet has the potential to support liquid water on its surface, and it may have an atmosphere that contains the gases necessary for life. Water is the key ingredient for life as we know it. It is the solvent that allows for the complex chemical reactions that sustain life. And if Kepler 452b has liquid water, it opens up a world of possibilities. Of course, we can't be sure until we send a spacecraft to Kepler 452b to explore it directly. The technology to reach such a distant star is still far beyond our current capabilities. But the dream of exploring Kepler 452b continues to inspire scientists and engineers to push the boundaries of human ingenuity. In the meantime, we can continue to study Kepler 452b from afar and learn more about its potential for life. This planet is a fascinating reminder of the vastness of the universe and the possibility that there may be other habitable worlds out there. Perhaps, somewhere out there, life is thriving on a planet like Kepler 452b, completely unaware of our existence. The thought of such a vast and unknown universe is both awe-inspiring and humbling. So, what do you think? Is Kepler 452b really our long-lost cosmic neighbor? Or is it just a distant dream? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're interested in learning more about space exploration, be sure to check out my other videos. Thanks for watching.